Welcome to Learn English Stepwise Progress. Useful sentences for daily English.
I feel a little lonely. Your dress is beautiful. May I come in? I live in a small apartment. I'm not sure about that. Today is my birthday. I forgot to lock the door. I'm just looking around. Thank you. What a cute happy. There is a restaurant nearby. This is a strawberry. There is a cat. I'll text you later. My teacher wears glasses. My brother is in his room. I need 3 kilograms of beef. I'm afraid of the dark. I'm feeling nervous. The fan spins fast. Do you need any help? I want to be an astronaut. Are you going for a picnic? My taxi is coming. My brother has an awesome car. Those flowers are beautiful. I really like drinking coffee. Who is your best friend? He is an adorable baby. The bird sings a song. Today is a sunny day. The dog chewed on bone. He wore a black suit. The truck is big. I have 2 friends. Let's play hide and seek. The lamp is on the desk. I'm on my way. I study in the evening. I love my parents. The tree has a swing. Look at the rainbow. I need some fresh air. I'll do it right away. I'm running late. I have 2 dogs. I'm sorry for hurting your feelings. There are fish in the river.
Thanks for watching.